I don't know. I be feeling like everybody be against me and shit sometimes, you know what I'm saying, boy? Maybe be me tripping, I don't know, or maybe God telling me something. I'm really trying to see what's going on, but let me tell you though. I guess I'm all in my feelings, I feel like they all against me. I'm talking niggas and bitches, the ones that supposed to be with me. I spend no time reminiscing, I spend my time trying to get it. But while I be on my mission, they soldier hate and they envy. So I roll up a blunt, fill up my cup with the rim, man, I holla fuck all y'all. Ride one deep through the city, don't need no outside influence. You had your chance and you blew it. I keep a Bible and pistol, you better act like you knew it. Love and hate is congruent, so I watch how I talk it, and I walk like I talk it. These so niggas is stopping, so I proceed with caution. Yelling devil, get off me, nigga bitch get up off me. I play my cards how they deal. All the losses I took, I wear them shits on my bill. My business ain't to be heard, everything quiet kill, and I ain't worried about no real. I'm just in it for the stacks. If they don't let me through the door, I'ma slide through the cracks. Mean I'm on sometimes I get a bad vibe, and me wanna step back, look at you and analyze. And I feel like you're trying to block my shine, and I feel like you don't wanna see me shine. That's why sometimes I catch a bad vibe, make me wanna step back, look at you and analyze. And I feel like you're stepping on my pride, and I feel like you don't wanna see me shine. That's why.
Now I'm feeling like, who can I turn to? Niggas say to trust them, and I swear I'm trying to learn to. All these questions in my head like, what if nigga burn you? Then they turned on you, what make you think he won't turn to? You really never know, gotta make that decision. I can say forget him or risk it and fuck with him. My own family got me losing faith in my people. That's why I stick and move like crochet needles, disappear like a needle. And you really showed your ass, screaming loyalty, so where the fuck it go so fast? Called on me when you couldn't call no one else. Getting threats from pussy niggas, didn't no one help. And I was with you every day up in that I see you. Now when I'm looking at your face, my nigga, I see too. Cause you switched on me, did a 180 and flipped on me. Damn, that's what it is, homie. Shit, homie.
Sometimes I get a bad vibe, make me wanna step back, look at you and analyze. And I feel like you're trying to block my shine, and I feel like you don't wanna see me shine. That's why sometimes I catch a bad vibe, make me wanna step back, look at you and analyze. And I feel like you're stepping on my pride, and I feel like you don't wanna see me shine. That's why. Hey, now what is all these bad vibes that I'm feeling? And what is all these situations that I'm living? I guess it's just the devil riding on my back. I guess it's just the price you pay for chasing stacks. She looking at the TV, she don't wanna look. She cooking in the kitchen, she don't wanna cook. What happened to these niggas used to keep it real? But things changed, they don't play it by the book. But I ain't even tripping, I'ma tell the truth. I got my mind frame on the Bentley coupe. If I was sensitive, I wouldn't make it far. I never get the house, never get the car. Hey, now what the fuck would Dr. King talking about? It's crabs in the bucket down in the south. Negativity coming from your mouth. I can't fuck with you, man, know I'm talking about. Sometimes I get a bad vibe, make me wanna step back, look at you and analyze. And I feel like you're trying to block my shine, and I feel like you don't wanna see me shine. That's why sometimes I catch a bad vibe, make me wanna step back, look at you and analyze. And I feel like you're stepping on my pride, and I feel like you don't wanna see me shine. That's why.